Namaste, myself Veni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today, I am going to discuss with you about neuropathy. What is neuropathy? Neuropathy is a dysfunction of one or more peripheral nerves or peripheral nervous system. Neuropathy can involve damage of only one nerve. It is called mononeuropathy. If involvement of two or more nerves in different areas, it is known as mononeuropathy multiplex, which is most common. And if involvement nerves are many, this is called polyneuropathy. Now, there are some examples of mononeuropathy, such as median nerve involvement is carpal tunnel syndrome. Ulnar nerve involvement conditions are tardial nerve palsy, cubital tunnel nerve syndrome. Radial nerve involvement condition is Saturday night palsy. Involvement of lateral femoral cutaneous nerve resulting in myalgia paresthetica. Sciatic nerve involvement, piriformis syndrome. Peroneal nerve involvement causing captain chair palsy, strawberry picker palsy, and tibial nerve involvement causing tarsal tunnel syndrome. Now let's see the examples of polyneuropathy, including hereditary disorders are Charcot-Marie Tooth disease, hereditary sensory neuropathy. Inflammatory diseases in case of polyneuropathy are Guillain-Barré syndrome, vasculitis, chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathies. Infectious diseases causing polyneuropathy are leprosy, HIV infection. Systematic diseases causing polyneuropathy are diabetes mellitus, paraencephaloplastic, paraproteinemia, and some drugs and toxins such as ionized alcohol may contribute to polyneuropathy. Now, what is the mechanism of injury or pathological process of neuropathy? The causes of neuropathies are manifold and include physical injury, example pressure from the disc herniation, pressure from a cast, trauma or arthritis, systemic autoimmune disease such as diabetes, RA, Sjogren's syndrome. Autoimmune diseases that attack nerves are Guillain-Barré syndrome, multifocal motor neuropathy. Toxins, example from toxic amounts of substances in the blood associated with kidney and liver disorders, or alcoholism and chemotherapy drugs too. Some infections such as varicella zoster virus, white Nile virus, AIDS, Lyme's disease. Neuropathies may primarily affect sensory nerves, motor nerves, autonomic nerves, or multiple types. Anything that damages nerves can interfere with their ability to transmit accurate signals, which can lead to a number of signs and symptoms, which are characterized by depending on the type of nerve affected. First, motor nerve damage. Motor nerve damage will cause muscle weakness, painful cramps, fasciculations. What are fasciculation? These are uncontrolled muscle twitching visible under the skin and muscle shrinking as well. Involvement of sensory nerve. Sensory nerve damage can cause various symptoms because sensory nerves have a broad range of functions. Damage to large sensory fibers affects the ability to feel vibrations and touch. Patient may feel as if you are wearing gloves and stockings. This damage may contribute to the loss of reflexes. Thank you.